मीटर फाइनल्स बॉयज का। अब आ रही है अंडर 17 गर्ल्स 100 मीटर फाइनल्स की। और इसमें 3 जो बड़े नाम हम आपको बता दें, उसमें एक तो वो हैं जो आपकी स्क्रीन पर फिलहाल हैं, सुदेशना हनुमंत महाराष्ट्र से, जर्सी नंबर 484। उनके बगल में जीवन जी दीप्ति 704-121 प्रतीक्षा बोरुआ। लाइनअप रेडी है, बहुत जल्दी हम विधिवत तरीके से इनका इंट्रोडक्शन, इनका परिचय आपसे कराएंगे। सृष्टि लेन 10, श्रेया लेन 9, शेरोन 8, ऋतिका सर्वनन तमिलनाडु की हैं, तमिलनाडु की शेरोन मरिया भी हैं, जीवन जी दीप्ति 704।
100 meter girls under 17 फाइनल। ट्रैक पर अगली प्रतियोगिता बालिकाएं 17 वर्ष से कम आयु समूह के 100 मीटर दौड़ के फाइनल आयोजित होंगे।
प्रतीक्षा बोरुआ असम की, लेन 3 में, लेन 4 में किरुथिका तमिलनाडु की, लेन 5 में जीवन जी दीप्ति तेलंगाना की, लेन 6 सुदेशना, लेन 7 ऋतिका, लेन 8 शेरोन मरिया, लेन 9 श्रेया, लेन 10 सृष्टि। 100 मीटर फाइनल अंडर 17 गर्ल्स। प्रतीक्षा बोरुआ आपकी स्क्रीन पर, पिक्चर ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन। 484 सुदेशना हनुमंत महाराष्ट्र से। मैं पदम, मेरे साथ सिद्धार्थ। सिद्धार्थ, what's your take on this? You want to take a prediction?
No, I don't. I'll keep my money in my pocket for this one, Paddy. This is going to be pretty close.
I must show your attention on the tag where we are going to present the competitors of the 100 meter girls under 17 final. The competitors are lane 3, 121, Pratiksha Barua, Assam. Lane 4, 625, Kiruthika Ravishankar, Tamil Nadu. Lane 5, 704, Jivanji Jeepti, Telangana. Lane 6, 484, Sudeshna Hanuman, Maharashtra. Lane 7, 626, Rothika Saravanan, Tamil Nadu. Lane 8, 622, Sharon Maria, Tamil Nadu. Lane 9, 482, Shreya Tushar Shedge, Maharashtra. And lane 10, 487, Shushti Ramesh Shetty, Maharashtra. The Khelo India beach record of 100 meter girls under 17 is on the name of Avantika Narale of Maharashtra with a performance of 12.36 seconds.
This is it. It's going to be a nail biter. This will be another photo finish. Something tells me this, because there's fierce competition. Jeevanji, Sudeshna, ऋतिका, and then you cannot ignore Srushti, lane number 10 either. 100 meter final.
Both the finals in the women's, in the girls, I beg your pardon, are going to be very close. But that is 4, 5 and 6. Those lanes where our focus is. But on the given day, anybody can beat anyone.
Number 9, don't touch the line. Lane number 8.
Warnings coming in.
Lane number 8, don't touch the line.
Fingers have to be behind the line.
Lane number 10.
Off they go. It's a decent start in lane number 6 for Sudeshna, but it's somebody onto her right and somebody onto her left who's taking it away. Jeevanji Deepti is the one, or is it going to be? This is the photo finish. Perfect photo finish. This. Boy, oh boy, what a run by these beautiful girls.
That is a photo finish. That's the closest finish we've had, Paddy, and that is probably the best sprint race we've had so far. G1G, I think, has just about clinched it, but it is so difficult to say. We will have to wait for confirmation because Rutika Sarvanan has run the race of her young life.
Oh, yes, we were actually talking about lane number 6, Sudeshna. When they started, she was the one who gets a good start. Yes, and then onto her left was G1G Deepti, onto her right was Rutika Sarvanan, and that is where it absolutely brilliantly run race. No doubt about that.
It indeed was. If you could see the replay again, you'll see Sudeshna Hanuman Shivankar had a wonderful start, and the drive phase is when you are just building up top speed. That drive phase for Sudeshna was excellent, but when they got upright, well, the athletes to her left and her right, G1G and Rutika Sarvanan, who are in your frame right now. This is why athletes practice the dip again and again. The dip has to be perfect for moments like these.
I thought Rutika Sarvanan's head was always wrong during the race, but in the end, was she the one who did the correct thing?
How do you judge that? How do you judge that? You need modern tech to get that. And waiting for confirmation, it's been given to G1G Deepti, who has, clinched it in 12.26, which I've just been informed, Paddy, is a new games record. And Rutika Sarvanan has taken...
If you look at the time, I mean, आप दोनों को जुदा कर ही नहीं सकते. 12.26. अवंतिका नराले का रिकॉर्ड जो था वो था 12.36 का, और दोनों ने ही, जीवन ने और रुतिका सर्वनन ने, उन्होंने इस रिकॉर्ड को तोड़ा भी है. शरण मरिया 12.46, सुदेशना के नाम मेडल नहीं आएगा.
And Tamil Nadu taking a silver and a bronze, 2 out of the 3 in the under-17 girls final. So well done to sprinters from that state. G1G Deepti wins it by the proverbial whisker.